So over here you can see that I have a Google site, and if you want to insert out calendar onto your Google site, you can go around onto the insert section, and then here you can see calendar is an option. If I were to click on this, then what happens is that it opens up your Google Calendar, and you can bring in whatever calendar that you wish to bring in as long as you have that. So I'm going to go around over here, and here you can see that there's TutorTube calendar. So I can go around, click on the calendar that you want to insert, and then click on insert right here, and the calendar will be displayed out over here. So here you can see the calendar is here. You can resize it, and then if I were to go around onto preview section, then you will be able to see the calendar right here. And it is quite dynamic. You can use this arrow keys right here and so forth, as you can see, to navigate around. You can also insert multiple calendars. So if I were to go around onto calendar, and as long as you have calendars in your particular account, you can go around right here. Let's say, for example, you want to go around and bring in, let's say, Christian holidays. You can click on insert, and it'll be inserted right here, as you can see, and you'll be able to see the calendar. You can resize this, like go around and then resize this, place it just like this, and you can go around onto preview, and you can see two calendars side by side right here. And this is dynamic as well. You can go back, you can go to front right here and work around with it. And that is how you can work around with inserting of calendar inside of Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.